Did you know that a thimbleful of a neutron star would weigh over 100 million tons? Now that's fascinating. Hello and welcome to NationStats Hub, your ultimate destination for the latest in science and technology. Founded in 2010, our mission has always been to make scientific concepts and advanced technology accessible to everyone. Today, we're all about transforming such concepts into engaging, digestible content. We're passionate about unearthing recent discoveries and demystifying future technologies that are shaping our world. With over a decade of hard work, we've made leaps and bounds in achieving our goal. We're proud to say that science, in the eyes of our viewers, is not just accessible, but downright fascinating. Our most viewed topics, they range from artificial intelligence to genetic modification, quantum physics. So, if you've got a curious mind and a thirst for knowledge, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be exploring some of the most groundbreaking scientific discoveries of recent times. Fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the... Imagine a computer that could solve problems in seconds, that the fastest supercomputer would take millions of years to crack. Welcome to the fascinating universe of quantum computing. Quantum computing isn't a new concept. It was first proposed in the 1980s by physicist Richard Feynman, but it took decades of technological advancements to make it a reality. At the core of this domain, we find a transformational shift from the classical computing we're accustomed to. Instead of bits, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits. These qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to a quantum peculiarity known as superposition. This allows a quantum computer to process a vast number of possibilities at once, providing unmatched computational power. Qubits can also be entangled, another quantum phenomenon. Entangled qubits affect each other instantaneously, no matter the distance between them. This instantaneous communication, known as quantum entanglement, enables quantum computers to solve complex problems at hyper-fast speeds, leaving traditional computers far behind. As for real-world applications, quantum computing holds the potential to transform many sectors. In medicine, it could revolutionize drug design and genomic analysis by cracking complex DNA sequences. In finance, it could optimize portfolios and manage risk on a scale unimaginable with classical computers. In logistics, it could design the most efficient delivery routes, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. In climate modeling, it could simulate intricate climate patterns, leading to more accurate predictions of global warming. The current state of quantum computing is exciting. Quantum supremacy, the point at which quantum computers, classical ones, is no longer a distant dream. In 2023, Google's quantum computer, Sycamore, performed a calculation in 200 seconds that would have taken the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years. This marked a monumental milestone in the world of quantum computing. Looking ahead, the possibilities seem endless. Scientists are constantly pushing the boundaries, developing more stable qubits, improving error correction methods, and striving to make quantum computers more accessible. Each breakthrough brings us one step closer to a future where quantum computers are as common as the smartphones in our pockets. The future of quantum computing could entail breakthroughs in AI, quantum encryption, and secure communication, and even the search for extraterrestrial life. As we delve deeper into the quantum world, the possibilities seem to expand in every direction. And now we have a question for you. What are your thoughts on the future of quantum computing? Do you see it as a game changer or just another tech fad? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so be sure to leave a comment. Reflect on the concept of having the power to alter the genetic code of living organisms, much like editing a manuscript. This is not a figment of an active imagination, but the reality of CRISPR technology. CRISPR, standing for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats, signifies a groundbreaking gene editing tool. With its roots in a discovery in bacterial DNA, scientists have worked tirelessly over recent decades to leverage its potential. Acting as a biological pair of scissors, CRISPR slices through DNA strands at specific points, allowing for the addition, deletion, or modification of particular genetic material. It is this accuracy that sets CRISPR apart from previous gene editing techniques. This innovation is already causing waves in the scientific community. Recent achievements include the successful correction of genetic maladies in human embryos and the creation of genetically modified crops with increased resistance to diseases and higher yields. But this is just the beginning. The future possibilities of CRISPR are massive, and the medical field, CRISPR holds the promise of wiping out genetic diseases by removing the flawed genes. Imagine a future where crippling conditions like cystic fibrosis or Huntington's disease are mere relics of the past. In agriculture, CRISPR could play a crucial role in producing crops that can resist pests and diseases and thrive in challenging environments. For example, drought or extreme temperature-resistant varieties of rice and wheat could revolutionize food production in regions sensitive to climate change. This potential breakthrough could be decisive in our battle against food scarcity and global warming. Nevertheless, great power demands great responsibility. The ethical implications of gene editing are complex and extensive. How much should we meddle with life's blueprint? Who holds the power to determine what is acceptable? As this technology continues to progress, society must confront and resolve these dilemmas. Despite these obstacles, the potential of CRISPR technology is undeniable. It provides us with the tools to tackle some of the most urgent challenges of our time, from controlling diseases to addressing food shortages. However, it's crucial to remember that this technology is still in its early stages. There are unexplored areas that need to be understood and navigated. But one thing is beyond doubt. With each breakthrough, we're getting closer to fully utilizing this revolutionary tool. With the capability to modify life's genetic code, we stand on the brink of a genetic revolution. Now, we want to hear from you. We're posing a question to our viewers. Would you support the use of CRISPR technology? Please take a moment to participate in our poll and share your thoughts. Imagine a world powered by the same energy that fuels the sun and the stars. This is the promise of fusion power, a concept that has been pursued relentlessly since its theoretical inception in the 1920s. Fusion power is the process of combining lightweight atoms to form a heavier one, just like how the sun and stars generate their immense energy. In essence, we're looking to create a tiny star here on Earth. It might seem like the stuff of science fiction, but it's not. Throughout the 20th century, scientists globally have been working tirelessly on harnessing the power of nuclear fusion. Major strides have been made in the last few decades. We're closer than ever to making fusion power a reality. The benefits of fusion power are astounding. It's a clean energy source with no emissions of harmful greenhouse gases. It doesn't produce long-lived nuclear waste. Plus, it uses isotopes of hydrogen which are abundant in the ocean, meaning we won't run out anytime soon. But fusion power isn't without challenges. To achieve fusion, we need to recreate conditions similar to the core of the sun, where temperatures soar over 100 million degrees. That's hotter than the core of the sun itself. We also need a way to contain this extreme heat without melting everything around it. Despite these hurdles, we've made remarkable progress. Scientists have developed experimental fusion reactors called tokamaks, donut-shaped devices that use magnetic fields to contain the high-temperature plasma where fusion occurs. The most ambitious project to date is ITER, an international collaboration building the world's largest tokamak in France. In February 2024, UK-based company First Light Fusion announced a significant milestone in the quest for fusion power. They reported a successful experiment where they produced more energy from a fusion reaction than they put in. This is a crucial step towards a self-sustaining fusion power plant. Looking ahead, the prospects of fusion power are boundless. With fusion power, we could revolutionize various sectors, from electricity generation to water purification and space travel. Electric grids could be powered with virtually limitless clean energy, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Plants could use fusion power to provide clean drinking water to millions. Spacecraft could be powered by fusion reactors, enabling long-duration interstellar travel. The journey towards fusion power is arduous, The challenges are steep, but the potential rewards are astronomical. As we stand on the brink of this new era, the stars might not seem so far away after all. After decades of persistent pursuit, we are poised to capture the power of the stars and use it to light up our world. Feeling intrigued? We encourage you to delve deeper into the fascinating world of fusion power. Learn more about its possibilities, its challenges, and its incredible potential. Visit our website or scan the QR code on your screen to access a wealth of resources. Become a part of this exciting journey. Together, we can bring the power of the stars to Earth. Imagine machines that can learn and make decisions like humans. This is not science fiction, but the reality of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Tracing back the mid-20th century, when the term artificial intelligence was first coined at the Dartmouth Conference, we've come a long way. Notable developments in AI include the invention of the perceptron in the 1950s, the development of backpropagation in the 1980s, and the rise of deep learning in the 21st century. This journey has culminated in a world where algorithms and models breathe life into these advanced systems, can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions. Often surpassing human artificial intelligence, or AI, is the broad concept of machines carrying out tasks in a way we would consider smart. Machine learning, a subset of AI, teaches computers to learn and act like humans. It improves their learning autonomously over time by feeding them data and information in the form of observations and real-world interactions. Currently, AI and machine learning are not just concepts, but technologies that have seeped into every sector, revolutionizing the way we live and work. Let's take healthcare, for instance. AI is used early detection of diseases like IBM's Watson, which can read and understand medical literature, assisting doctors in diagnosing patients. In finance, algorithms predict trends like Kensho's software, which uses AI to answer complex financial questions in minutes, a task that would take professionals days to complete. In our homes, they power our personal assistants like Siri and Alexa. Recently, we have seen great breakthroughs in the introduction of OpenAI's GPT-3. A language prediction model has shown an uncanny ability to produce human-like text. DeepMind's AlphaFold has made significant strides in predicting protein, a problem that has baffled scientists for decades. Yet, what's even more exciting is the future. AI is set to bring about a new era of automation, with self-driving cars like Tesla's Autopilot, drones delivering goods like Amazon's Prime Air, and robots performing complex tasks. Machine learning would make our devices even smarter, personalizing our experiences never before. As we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, it's crucial to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. It's upon us to address the ethical and societal implications. AI's usage benefits all, not just a select few. As AI continues to evolve, set to redefine our future, making our lives easier and more efficient. Now that we've covered a lot of ground on artificial intelligence and machine learning, let's see how well you were able to grasp the concepts. Here are some questions for you. 1. Who coined the term artificial intelligence and when? 2. What is the difference between AI and machine learning? 3. Can you name few sectors where AI and machine learning are currently being implemented? 4. Name a few recent breakthroughs field of AI. 5. How does machine learning improve the functionality of devices over time? From quantum computers to gene editing, from fusion power to artificial intelligence, these are just a few of the thrilling frontiers in science and technology that we've explored today. Quite the journey, right? Let's revisit the highlights. We commenced our journey with quantum computing, with immense potential to redefine our capacities, pivoting us towards solving complex problems in seconds instead of millions of years. Then we plunged into the captivating world of gene editing. Imagine a future where medicine, agriculture, and even our evolution is significantly transformed. The possibility of a world without genetic disorders, crops, and enhanced physical and cognitive abilities isn't as far as we think. Our exploration continued to fusion power, a seemingly limitless and eco-friendly energy source that could be the solution to our escalating energy crisis and carbon footprint. Finally, we landed on artificial intelligence and machine learning, innovations that are already shaping our everyday lives and have the capacity to completely transform our society in ways we are yet to comprehend. This isn't the making of a science fiction novel, but the reality that is unfolding right before our eyes. These scientific breakthroughs hold tremendous potential and are shaping our future as we speak. Now, we hope that this brief has sparked your curiosity and ignited the explorer in you. We encourage you to dig deeper, ask questions, and continue the exploration. The future isn't just something that occurs, it's something we actively create. On behalf of NationStats Hub, thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure. Stay tuned for more thrilling content as we continue to explore the boundaries of science and technology. Remember, at NationStats Hub, we're not just witnessing the future, we're understanding it together. Before we end this video, we'd love to hear what do you think about the future of science and technology? How do you envision it? Drop your thoughts, ideas, and predictions in the comments section below. We're excited to engage in this insightful conversation with you. Until the next video, keep exploring.